Understanding multi-line statements.
Multi-line statements let you spread code across several lines, making programs clearer and easier to read. Each programming language has its own syntax rules for breaking up lines without causing errors. Knowing these rules helps prevent bugs and improves code organization. Let's explore how popular programming languages handle multi-line statements and line breaks.
Python, using backslashes and brackets.
In Python, you can continue a statement across lines by ending a line with a backslash. However, if you're inside parentheses, brackets, or braces, line breaks are allowed freely. For example, you can split a long function call or list over several lines without any special symbols, as long as it's within the grouping symbols.
JavaScript, automatic semicolon insertion.
JavaScript supports multi-line statements, often using the automatic semicolon insertion feature. You can continue most statements onto a new line. However, be cautious. Certain situations, like breaking after a return or before an array, can cause unintended behavior. Wrapping expressions in parentheses can safely split code across multiple lines.
Java and C statement terminators matter.
In Java and C, statements typically end with a semicolon. You can divide statements over multiple lines anywhere that white space is allowed, as long as you place the semicolon at the end. Indentation helps readability but isn't required by the compiler. Always keep the semicolon at the end to avoid syntax errors.
Ruby and others, flexible line continuation.
A dot allows most lines to continue as long as the syntax is open. For example, if a method or operation remains incomplete. You can also use a backslash at the end of a line. Many modern languages, like Go and Swift, have similar flexible rules, making multi-line statements easy as long as the structure is clear.
Tips for writing clean multi-line code.
To write readable, error-free, multi-line statements, follow language-specific rules and use indentation for clarity. When splitting code, do so at logical points, such as after operators or commas. Group complex expressions inside parentheses or brackets. Reading official documentation helps you master each language's approach to line breaks and code layout.